Once you've checked the job, we'll then show you what the different pre-flight modes are. There's two main different modes to get results on your files, but there's more. Now the pre-flight modes are very interesting. So here you see we're now in the inventory mode. That's how it is when it first opens in FlightCheck. The inspector we have here, then file info, page info, and a bunch of other information on everything used in your file. So you can view it, examine it, and take in the problems in various ways to help you get to work on these files. So extremely handy and very quick and easy to use, right? But there's another mode here, which is called pre-flight mode. And there you actually see you get an actual score on your job in compared to, which we showed you earlier, these ground controls here. So once you set up the ground controls, it'll actually check against these ground controls to give you this pre-flight score and the full details of what's been triggered and what the problems are. So, for instance, if an image is missing, it can actually take us right to the missing image and allow us to get to work to fix it. So, a very handy way to view the data that's used in your file and to actually find the problems. We have here a line which is suspect, so we can see if it's going to show up correctly in the print job depending on how a rip is. So there's many things you can check for. There's many ways to view them. The pre-flight mode under the FlightCheck results window, as we call it as well, or the inventory mode, where you get just a different overview of the same information. So very handy, and just for sure in combination with the preview you get of these files like this, and in combination with the reporting, which you can also have automatically included with the package feature. So a very, very handy way to take these files and to do different things right in the interface with the inventory mode and the pre-flight mode. Now I'm just showing you how you can automatically open up a PDF in Acrobat if you wanted to use some other form of PDF editing to fix things, and then go back, save it out, and go further in pre-flighting and checking your file with FlightCheck 2022. All right, so that's the different modes in FlightCheck 2022. If you have more information, if you need more information, cruising over to Markzware.com. There's also a support section if you have any questions or requests, if you have any ideas for FlightCheck or the support ticket. You can share all the information there.